when I saw the arguments on the Khalifa himself and the contradictions with what he had said, that is when I really realized, okay, no, this is incorrect. This is not the right way. And yeah, there's a couple other things that are not coming on the top of my head right now, but there was one or two main things that really pushed me in this direction.
So, my dear brother, with regard to your own self, are you now clear that Alhamdulillah, this path of Islam is the path, and this Qadiani cult or Qadianism, it is not Islam? Are you clear on this one?
110% clear.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
So, my dear brother, with regard to your own self, are you now clear that Alhamdulillah, this path of Islam is the path, and this Qadiani cult or Qadianism, it is not Islam? Are you clear on this one?
110% clear.
Alhamdulillah.
Allah. Allah has
And
blessed
brother,
you.
and my dear brother, if you want to, for example, many people watching and listening right now, would you like to give some advice to those people who are at the verge? They are sincere, they are doing the research, but they still can't take the decision. If you can help them as well.
Okay, so in that sense, I can say maybe because you are born into it, this is all you know all your life. You go to the masjid, you have your people around you. It's very hard. It's an uncomfortable, it's an unknown feeling, right? So all I can say is try to look at it from an outside point of view. Maybe step back. It's hard. It is very hard. For me, it was hard in the beginning as well. But try to look at it from an outsider, right? As from an outsider's point of view, and compare the both and see. Look at the arguments. And because the thing is with Ahmadis, I've seen it, is they're blind, right? It's like their heart is blind, or I don't know exactly what it is, but they don't want to see the clear facts that are in front of them. So maybe just step back and compare the two, and that's the advice I would have.
And brother, if you don't mind, what was that one thing in particular that really helped you take the decision and to leave the cult?
There was one video Adnan Saab had where the same video about the Mirza himself, because I got into the Khalifas and this and that, but when I saw the arguments on the Khalifa himself and the contradictions with what he had said, that is when I really realized, okay, no, this is incorrect. This is not the right way. And yeah, there's a couple other things that are not coming on the top of my head right now, but there was one or two main things that really pushed me in this direction.
And brother, if you don't mind, how long ago you took your Shahada?
So I haven't taken it yet.
So Bismillah, then let's do it now.
Yes. Let's do it now.
That is okay. That is actually, I'm glad you asked, because I don't know how that works either. I wanted to ask an imam at a masjid, but I didn't have it in me to ask. So how does that work?
Imam Adnan is here. Bismillah.
He will say, you just repeat after him, inshallah, that will work.
Inshallah.
Okay, so I'm at work now, but yeah, let's do it.
No, it takes 30 seconds.
Yeah. So it's just a Shabbat Kalma, right?
You renew your oath with Allah, and this is a new beginning. You are a newborn child. You are a new Muslim now. That doesn't mean you don't have any knowledge of Islam, or you have to learn going something. No. This is a new beginning in the sense that you're rejecting Mirza as a liar, and you're affirming your belief that there is only one God who deserves to be worshipped, and the last and final prophet of Allah is Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That's it. And that's it. You're a Muslim. It's a new beginning. Okay. And those of you who are watching right now, brothers and sisters, and you're still thinking about taking the right step, look, time doesn't wait for anyone. We can die anytime in our lives. So we have to be very serious about our end, our salvation. At least correct your beliefs so that you can be rewarded for the little good deeds you may be doing. Your prayer, your salah, your Jummah, your reading of the Quran, your fasting, your charity, your sadaqah. It will be accepted so long as you are Muslim and your belief is correct. But if you believe in another prophet after Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who was a liar, then all your salah, all your fasting, all your sadaqat and khairat and zakat, every good you may be doing is going to be wasted. Repeat after me, inshallah. Okay? Bismillah. Ashhadu Allah ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. I bear witness that Allah alone deserves to be worshipped, and Muhammad is his last and final prophet.
And that Muhammad is his last and final prophet.
There is no prophet after him.
And there's no prophet after him.
And Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani was a liar.
And Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani was a liar.
Khalas, you're a Muslim.
Allahu
Mabruk,
Akbar.
Mabruk,
Allahu
ya
Akbar.
Jazakallah.
May Allah bless you,
Yeah.
and may Allah accept from you. May Allah strengthen you. May Allah make you a
Amen.
beacon of light for your family,
Jazakallah.
your entire progeny. May Allah make you the source of forgiveness and guidance for your entire family, so that you can
Inshallah.
take as many people as possible with you to Jannah. You know, you're a very
Inshallah.
special person. And
Thank
make
you.
dua for all of us, by the way. Before you go,
Inshallah,
make
inshallah,
dua
yes.
for Dr. A.K. Sheikh. Make dua for me, because you are now very close to Allah. You're like a newborn baby. Seriously. You're like,
Yes.
I don't know if you understand the concept, but it's
No,
a
of
beautiful
course.
thing.
Yeah, no, I
So
feel
make dua
amazing.
for all three of us. And
I wasn't
everyone else, all the
expecting,
team,
but yes,
the whole
inshallah,
team.
yeah.
You know, there are so many Muslims commenting. They're so happy. Dr. Izhar, I saw his comment as well. He's very happy. May Allah bless him.
Jazakallah.